Happy Monday and welcome to OHVA and your chemistry class. I am Mrs. Scott. I'm your chemistry teacher here for comprehensive chemistry or potentially honors. I wanted to just say welcome and kind of just show you around real quick of the course here. We're not going to have a CC today. On Wednesday at 2 o'clock, which this is just for this week, I put you in a CC if you want to come in and questions, make sure you're all on target, that kind of thing. So we don't have a pretest in chemistry. So actually what you can do is you can go ahead and you can get in the course. And all courses will look similar. I usually do a Monday video and sometimes a Friday, or maybe I'll just post a Friday news. And then as I need, I'll post a news or send a K-mail, that kind of thing. But you always just want to come here and then see what your class plan is, for the week, for the day. I also do checklists, which I have to do for this week, but that is also really helpful. So let me go ahead here and click on content, and I'll just jump over here and I'll show you. So what we have here is under course materials, you can go ahead and you can look through the syllabus. You can look through my contact information. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. And as we go, you'll learn kind of new stuff, kind of what our flow is. But if at any point you have questions, just K-mail me. I am me. I am on Yahoo. I am. And you can find that info under contact information. So go ahead and friend request me or whatever on there. We also have our Class Connect recording list there, and I give extra credit for coming to Class Connect each week. Here's our weekly checklist, which again I have to make for this week. But if you click on that, I like this. It helps keep me organized. I just go through and you can just see I list what we're doing for the day. So if that's helpful for you, go ahead and look at that checklist also. Sometimes I forget and people K-mail me and remind me. So where we're starting this week is we've already done this first half of Unit 1, which you aren't responsible for as far as doing all that content. When we have the final, you will be. So I will go ahead and open up a remediation for you guys there so you can work through that just as review. It's gas laws, Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, Gay-Lussac's Law, stuff that you probably have had actually in previous science courses but maybe don't remember, so it'll be a good refresher. So we're starting here today on this 1.10. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and click on it and you can go through the lesson and then take the quiz. A lot of times I have guided notes, I have extra videos, I might have worksheets that we do. I add a lot in. Right now for this today and tomorrow, I don't really have anything extra, so it's pretty cut and dry lesson quiz. But again, that's really not typical in chemistry. The other thing I want to tell you is a lot of what I do as far as how I handle grading and that kind of stuff when it comes to our labs or worksheets, 99% of the time you hand it into a Dropbox. Once you hand something into a Dropbox, it will open up a video of some sort that I go through, video just like this, that I go through like the answer key and explain things. You're expected to make corrections on your worksheet or lab or whatever it is, resubmit it to the Dropbox, and then I'll have what we call just a submission quiz. Then you go in and you fill that out. A lot of times I'll have a keyword on the video or a question about it and you just answer it and you get your credit. So essentially it's completion credit. But it's just a way for you to get instant feedback. Sorry, that's not popping off. Instant feedback on whatever you submitted. I don't go through and hand grade it, word for word, question for question type of thing. So you'll get that flow too as we continue on. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm Mrs. Scott. K-mail me. You can call me. I am me. I'm here. Answer any questions. So welcome. I look forward to a really fun semester in chemistry.